Flyte connects your controller to the data you depend on. It's a fully managed modem solution designed to keep your systems connected, secure, and visible at all times. Install the Flyte modem alongside your controller. The setup is simple and seamless, designed to get you connected quickly without unnecessary complexity. Next, connect the modem to your controller. Flyte supports controller communication, wiring, and configuration, so your system is fully connected. Once powered on, Flyte automatically connects to the strongest available network. With multi-carrier SIMs and automatic failover, your controller stays online, even in challenging environments. Now your controller is accessible remotely. Through a secure, encrypted connection, you can review system data, check status, and make adjustments from anywhere. But setup doesn't stop there. Flyte continuously monitors your modem and controller connection to ensure everything stays online, secure, and performing as expected.